Since the news of President Buhari's visit to Imo State broke out, preparations have been on top gear. All the nooks and crannies of the state capital are receiving some facelift. President Buhari is coming to Imo State to commission some projects including Naze Road, the Tiger Balloon Tunnel, Egbeada New Road, and Government House New Exco Chamber. Expressing excitement, residents speak on the presidential visit and their expectations.
Well, first of all, I want to thank the Executive Governor of Imo State, His Excellency Senator Hope Uzodinma, who have been doing a great job in Imo State. And I think that the visitation of Mr. President will bring a lot of benefits in terms of infrastructural development, as you can say, and youth empowerment. Most importantly, so that they can keep the youth off the street and the youth will have better things to do. I think that's one of the most important things that we are expecting from Mr. President. We're also expecting, most of the federal appointments, the Imo State are not well captured. So we're expecting that one of the requests that we are going to make them is to capture good citizens of Imo State into the federal appointments so that they can bring down the benefit of and dividends of democracy to Imo State.
We want you to give him a good security, pure good security, and the way development. Imo State is not developed. We are suffering in this state, hungry, killing everybody. So we need him to bring a good help in this state. Thank you. Yeah.
The president coming to a state is something to be very happy about. He is the father of the whole nation. And for him to focus on Imo State in the southeast, it shows that we have something to offer. Expecting to visit some of the projects we've completed. We are talking of the Naze Road, the Egbeada bypass, the new look Imo Exco Chambers, and the tunnel, the multi-million naira tunnel we built within the first 2 years in office. Those are the projects we are expecting him to look at.
Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma inspected some of the projects to be commissioned by Mr. President.
Seeing how excited our people are, we're expecting Mr. President. You know, Mr. President is a very popular and grassrooted politician. People from this side of the country are very happy to hear that he's coming, and particularly he's coming to commission projects. Recall a few months ago, virtually he commissioned the 2 major roads constructed by this government, and on Thursday we're expecting him again to commission 2 other roads constructed. This balloon drainage technology and the brand new Exco Chamber we just completed. So it's good news. Things the dividends of democracy coming. Over the weeks, it has been about insecurity, unknown government, sadness and sorrow. And you can see that life came back. And now we are beginning to see commissioning, developmental projects. Now we can have life in abundance. Particular project on its own again is in excess of 2-point-something billion. And some other roads are not added to them. But you see, we are doing a segmented approach, prudently managing the limited resources. So as we go, we pay. As we pay, we get. Well, the president's presence here, among other things, will at least show the entire country that the president also understands the need to visit the southeast part of the country to console our people for the incidents of the past, where we had these activities of non-government and banditry ravage the entire region. So coming here on Thursday will also be a kind of solidarity to our people and to condole those who lost members of their family in those ugly incidences. I think it is going to be a fantastic thing. It stands and represents also the unity of the country and the commitment and patriotism of Mr. President.
President Buhari visited Imo State last in 2015 during his presidential campaign.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.